This is the 2020 Salem 29VBUD. Probably one of the most versatile RVs I've ever been in. And how is it so versatile? Well, first off, you got the VERSALOUNGE, the most accommodating furniture arrangement in the industry. Not only can this be made into a dinette, a lounge, and a full bed setup, it's got these awesome integrated storage containers that provide you with over 20 cubic feet of stow and go storage. The main living area also features these panoramic window package with superior cross ventilation. And of course, these awesome, stylish RV style roller shades. Over here, of course, we've got a fireplace and a Furrion soundbar. Check this out. Change the color. That's cool. It's pre-wired for Wi-Fi. Tons of counter space. Check that out. Tons of solid surface counter space. Awesome stove. Residential style sink. Etched pane glass. Nice size refrigerator, but check this out. Huge, deep pantry. Let's move on to the bunk. Here in the bunk room, you'll find that the versatility continues. This is one of 3 different setups. You can, of course, take these bunk beds here, flip them up, and have just a lounge area back here with your TV backer, make it a little office. Then, of course, you have it in this configuration with the sofa, and then configuration is a plush queen bed. Tons of room. More storage over here, and an external entry door so you can store bikes, tools, office supplies, hiking gear, whatever you need for your next adventure. On to the bedroom. Tons of storage. Tablet compatible compartments on both sides with outlets, and of course, no shortage of storage. Here's that etched glass again. And then over here we have a closet. Again, more storage, more storage. I love this barn door. Check that out. That's awesome. Onto the bathroom. Huge walk-in corner shower with sliding glass doors. Awesome vanity with solid surface again. Tons of space. Check that out. No claustrophobia in here. And then, of course, we have this awesome storage here. So come check this out. This is the 2020 Salem 29VBUD, one of the most, if not the most, versatile bumper pull travel trailers in the industry. Featuring the VERSALOUNGE and, of course, my personal favorite, the bunk room with 3 different levels of awesomeness. So come on down to Robbins RV and Motorsports here in beautiful Idabel, Oklahoma. Check this bad boy out. Of course, you can visit us online at www.robbinsrv.com, or you can give us a call at 580-286-6551.